Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Thursday, April the 3rd. We are breaking Gold Rush 16 by 20 MLB photos. It's a 2-box break. Randomed up our 4 remaining boxes. We got 1 and 2. We did pick a name, get we did pick a name, get 2 via random. We alphabetized the extra names, award the cheater and judge spots, guys. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Nothing went down. We're going to give it one last check here. Alright, guys, not seeing. Guys, bam. Well, guys, not a monster for us, but not a bad hit at all, guys. Robin Yount. Bam. Mike gonna take the Yount there, guys. Bueno. Alright, guys, second box. Bam, man. Well, gonna be a Kyle Busch. Bam. Oh, Michael Busch. Michael Busch, guys. Beckett hologram on it, baby. Well, Philly gonna be on that one, guys. Well, folks, I gotta think those are gonna be our fillers, guys. So we should have 2 nice boxes here for you guys. Gonna be Philly, guys. Well, these are gonna last 2, folks, for the last week here, guys, on the MLB photos. We got 3 and 5. Call out your keeps, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.